Okay, I'm doing a job announcement. This one is about a football defensive coordinator for Division One. This one is a defensive coordinator. Their job is to see over the defensive side of the football. And if I wanted to underline something, I would go here, go to drawing, or new, and then I will go to line. And this is how I can underline something just like this, save, and it's right here. I want to get rid of it, just backspace. There it is. Then if I want to highlight key things, like defensive coordinator. And if I want to highlight key things, let's say the job title, which is the football defensive coordinator. Already, right, just like this. Go to highlight. Pick which color you want. Let's highlight key things. And then other things like a coordinator, what you'll be doing in the job. So I highlight that. The same way you go up here, highlight, pick which color, just like that. And then if I want to share this, go here. You can name it whatever you want. Skip it, and then I'll go to change, and that'll be to everyone. And then I just hit done. Then I saved it and shared it to everyone. That'll be it.